In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a venue template. Go to Templates, Venues. We have a list of our existing venues here. So we go to Add New Venue Template. So firstly, we need to choose whether it's a public or private venue. Public would be open to the general public, private would be if it's for a private client. Then we need to select a name and the postcode. The postcode is really important because the postcode is used to generate a Google Map and Google SatNav that's fully integrated with Genius, and that appears on the joining instructions. Enter the full address information, just click Add Venue. So let's look at a venue that we've previously created, so we can show you some stats and some other information. So just pick a venue. Here we can see my venue. Got all of the venue information on the left hand side, including the postcode that generates the Google Map. The Google Map and Google SatNav is fully integrated into Genius, so this appears on the joining instructions. It is a real map, so we've got satellite view, we can zoom in and zoom out and move around. Scrolling further down, we've got directions. We've also got status, so if we no longer use the venue, we can mark it as closed, and we can rate it 1 to 5 as well. Any changes that you make, just click Save Changes. On the right hand side, we've got statistics. So this is how many bookings and over what period of time the bookings were taken for this venue. We've got venue rooms as well. So whenever you book training within a venue, you might want to add a room in there. So if you've got 2 events running at the same venue, you can separate those into rooms. We also have venue expenses. So if I click on an existing expense, I can edit it. And if I click on Add New Venue Expense, I can enter all of my expense information here. Now there is another tutorial video purely on expenses.